In this video tutorial, I want to talk about the advertising options within the Premium Press theme. So let's get started. To access this page, log into the admin area of your WordPress website and under Theme Setup, click on Advertising Setup. Here you'll notice we have two different tabs. We have Banners and Sell Space. To start with, let's discuss Banners. The Banners option is the basic setup of banners on your website. And these include different assignment options that you can place the banner in. For example, we have a header assignment, footer, under wrapper tool, middle column and middle column bottom. So these are the setup, the predefined locations on your website that you can place a banner. And underneath each action you'll see the size of the banner or the space provided. So you'll see the header is a 468 by 60 pixel banner, the footer you can choose any size, under the wrapper tool, which is under the main menu, the 1000 pixel width by any size height, and then different sizes, etc. To set a banner for this location, we simply add a banner and then assign that banner to the location. So let's go ahead and create a banner so we can see how it works. For this example, I'm going to go to the Premium Press website and just get a default banner for one of our Premium Press themes. So I'll grab a 460 by 60 banner here, and I'll simply just copy one of the links here. So I'll just copy the image address, and then I'll go back to our website. And now what I'll do is I'll click on Add Banner. In here we can give a title, so I'll just call it Header Banner. I can select a category should I wish to, which means the banner will only display when visible within that category. And here I enter my banner code. Now obviously I've only just copied the address, so I need to enter the HTML code for displaying a banner on my website. So to keep it quick and easy, I'm just going to enter an image address to this specific banner and click Save Changes. Now what I've done now is created a banner, or I would have entered my banner code, and then I can now assign this banner to the location on the website that I want it to display. So I'll add it to the header on my website. And I'll go ahead and save changes. Now if I go back to my website and give it a quick refresh, you notice by default on this design or on this template I'm using, the header area is already taken up by a different function. As you can see, it has a search box and some message options because we're using the auction theme. So what I'll need to do is go in my theme setup options and just change the header setup so that it's going to be displaying a banner. So to do that, we go in the admin area again of our theme. Under Theme Setup, we go to Top Navigation. Under the top navigation you can see we have different header layouts. And the default one that I'm using for this specific theme is Logo and Search. So what I want to do is switch that over to a Logo and Banner option. So I simply click on Logo and Banner. Then I can go back to my website and just give it a refresh. You can see now that I now have a logo on the left hand side, and the banner that I've just added in the admin area is now visible on the right hand side. So as you can see, I've added the banner under Advertising Setup. I've then assigned that to the header location, and when I view my website, it's now visible on the website. We now have the option obviously to view how many views it gets, and let's go ahead and just see how it works with a specific category. At the moment it's set to all categories because I haven't specified a category. So let me just go to the website and look for a category. As you can see, I can search for example category 1. If I adjust this by clicking Edit and set it to only visible in example category 10, I click Save Changes. And if I refresh my website, as you can see now the banner has disappeared. It's no longer visible because I'm viewing example category 1, and a moment ago when I adjusted my banner I set it to only visible in example category 10. So let's go and view example category 10. And as you can see now I'm viewing example category 10, the banner is visible in the top right of my website. If we go back to the admin area of our Premium Press website, and this time let's click on Sell Space. Now Sell Space is an additional feature we have within the Premium Press theme that allows you to charge your users to advertise on your website. So rather than actually creating listings on your website, it's another revenue source that allows the user to purchase advertising slots on your website, such as a header banner, a footer banner, a leaderboard banner, etc. Now, to use the sell space setup, you simply enable sell space and then enable the header or advertising locations that you want to place on your website. So for this example, I'm just going to enable a few just to show you what it looks like. And if I click Save Changes. Now, once you've saved that, all that's done is turned on the advertising feature for sell space. We now need to go ahead and set it up. So if we go back to our website and just give it a quick refresh. Let's go ahead and set up the sell space for the header location. So as previously, when I added it manually via the admin error, I want to set up a header location that allows users or visitors to my website to purchase an advert within that header slot. So to do this, I would first set up the advertising page so that users can come read about it and purchase the slot. To do that, I would need to set up a new page. So I go to New and create a new page. Now I have two options here. I can use the sell space shortcode, which is there on the right. I can just copy and paste the shortcode into the website, into the new page, sorry. Or on the right hand side, I could use the page template for advertising. Both do the same thing, it doesn't matter which one you use. So I'll just use the template for now, and I'll just call this advertise with us, just so people can visually see what this website page is going to be about. If I now view this new page, you can see I have the 4 or 5 different advertising options that I've turned on. So if I go back to sell space on the right hand side here, I've enabled 5 different options, and those are options on the right hand side. For each option, I can set the maximum number of adverts available for that slot, the price for each advert, and the number of days the advert will run for before it's disabled. And I can also turn on samples. Now I'm going to show you what this does. If I turn on the samples for the header and click Save Changes and just refresh my website, you can see now I have this sample advert so that people can see that obviously they can advertise here, and they can click that and it will take me to the page on my website, this advertising. Now if I clicked that and it's taken me to a blank page, that's because I haven't set up the links. And to set up links, I would go into the theme setup options, page and button links, and at the bottom where it says advertising page, I would just choose the page I've just set up with my advertising shortcode. Okay, so that's our advertising page set up. I can see now when I click that, I'm going to this new page that I've set up. And what I want to do then is just show you now what would happen if a user went ahead and purchased it. So let's go ahead and purchase it. I'm going to click on buy now. I'm going to skip the payment options and just use it as a theme. And then I'm going to go to my account after I've purchased it. And you'll notice at the bottom of the website, the bottom of the My Account page is this premium advertising option. Here I can see all of the available advertising options. I can see the banners that I've added to my website, and I can view all of my orders. Now, as you can see here, this is the new order I've just placed. I've got this header. It tells me the banner size. It tells me how many impressions I've got and how many clicks that the banner's received. Underneath that, I can see that I have no visitor data currently, but I can see that it's requesting me to upload a banner with dimensions 468 by 60. So let's go ahead and delete these sample banners just so I can go ahead and re-upload a new one. So I click on upload banner, I select the banner that I want to upload. So if I go back to my PremiumPress website and just save one of these banners, and then select the banner that I want to upload, on Save Changes to upload the banner, and now I've uploaded a new banner for 468 by 60. I can go over to my orders, and as you can see now, it's giving me the option to select this banner. So now I can select a banner, and underneath that I can enter a link. Now this is the link the user will go to when they click on your banner. So in this case, I'll just select Google and click Save. Now as you'll notice, when I've saved it, the banner is live straight away. And on top of my website, you can see now that I have the banner I've just uploaded. So what's happened here is the users come to my website, purchase the advertising, they've logged into their account area, and they can now upload banners and place the banners on my website. On the banner section here, we can also quickly see how many impressions the banner has done, how many clicks it's received, and at the bottom it gives me a countdown timer to tell me how long I've got left before the banner has expired. If we go over to the admin area of our website to show you how you can manage these campaigns via the admin area, we click on Overview, and just so I can show you on the left hand side, the menu options for your WordPress website have changed slightly. You've got two new ones. You've got this banners and campaign. Banners allows you to see all of the banners that users have uploaded, and campaigns allow you to see all of the purchase campaigns for your website. So if I edit that, I can see all of the details I've got for this banner. So that's a quick overview of the advertising options within the PremiumPress framework.